Common idioms and meaning in English with example. Idioms. Beast of burden. Meaning: someone carries others' problems. Example: I will never be your beast of burden. You have got to deal with your own problems. Idioms. Beat the clock. Meaning: finish something before the deadline. Example: the paperwork was piled high, but she manages to beat the clock and finish it all. Idioms. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Meaning: everyone has different preferences for what is attractive. Example: Ella likes guys with big beards. Her girlfriends say to her that beauty is definitely in the eye of the beholder.